Here's a shot taken earlier today. I was lucky enough to take the shot leaning out of my car window. It's about 20 yards away. It's a Falcon. I don't know which variety. I do this for relaxation. This was using the Fujifilm X-T2 and the 100 to 400 millimeter. I think he spotted me, and if we zoom in a little bit here, and maybe a little further, and here's my white rental Kia, and you could even see the lens actually leaning outside of the window of the car as reflected in his eye. That's pretty good, eh? This is a handheld 100 400 millimeter Fuji and the X-T2. I think he can see me, very possibly. Lovely bird. Thanks for watching. Fuji!